I miss them with all my heart. I love you with all my heart.
I love you with all my heart and soul and promise to be with you forever.
Sam, can you feel me?
With all my heart.
I love His Grace with all my heart. That's so very touching to hear.
You believe in her? With all my heart.
You accept this great honor that I have offered you?
With all my heart, no.
Where I love you with all my heart. And that is the reason I cannot take the chance of messing this up.
Listen to me, Patrick. I loved your mother with all my heart. I took care of Jeanette, and I made her happy.
You are better than this. I believe in you with all my heart. Please do not let me down.
I love them with all my heart. And the idea of someone telling me I can't be with them, I can't see them every day, it's like someone saying I can't have air.
Are you 100% positive you love and want to marry Howard Wolowitz?
I do, with all my heart.
Got it, just had to check.
You love me, don't you?
Yes, I do. With all my heart, Peter, go. Go, run.
I want nothing from you. I ask nothing of you. Why can't we be friends?
Good afternoon.
I'm sorry with all my heart to find you so resolute.
You murdered your father.
I love my father with all my heart. I only wanted his love in return. How can I?
Accept it. I want you to have it. With all my heart.
Yvonne, take it.
Take it! Well, I'm asking you. With all my heart and then some, you marry me?
Then yes. Yes, I will.
What are you saying?
From the moment you told me what Andrew had done and what Sam was threatening to do, I saw this as a test. And I hoped with all my heart that you would pass it, but you have failed miserably.